This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero sugar chocolate. First, gather your high-quality cocoa mass, cocoa butter, and a suitable sugar substitute like erythritol or stevia. Next, you'll need to melt and combine these ingredients carefully. We'll then move on to tempering, a crucial step for achieving that perfect snap and shine. Finally, I'll guide you through molding and storing your delectable, guilt-free creation. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients and tools. Start with pure cocoa mass, which provides the deep chocolate flavor. Next, high-quality cocoa butter is essential for a smooth mouthfeel. For sweetness, select a sugar substitute such as erythritol or a blend. You'll also need a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over simmering water and a reliable digital thermometer for precise temperature control. The process involves three main stages. First, gently melt your cocoa mass and cocoa butter together, ensuring the temperature reaches about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, thoroughly mix in your sugar substitute until it's completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. The most critical step is tempering, which involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to specific temperatures to stabilize its crystals, giving it a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time to mold it. Carefully pour the liquid chocolate into your chosen molds, ensuring they are clean and dry. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, which helps create a smooth surface. Let the chocolate set completely at room temperature, or briefly in the refrigerator if needed. Store your finished zero-sugar chocolate in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, ideally below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to maintain its quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.